Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Farhan's kitchen studio. Today we are doing chicken salad. For the recipe, we have following ingredients. We have onion, we have bell pepper, cucumbers, tomatoes, chicken, avocados, bread, white cheese and green olive, and lemon and coriander, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. And this is olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. These are olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, and Italian vinegar. We will mix the chicken with the spices. Okay. After mixing it well, we will cook the chicken. First, turn it on. Now put oil in it. Now put the chicken in. Now wait for it to cook. Then we after we cooked, we will do the salads. While we will roast the croutons. We will put the rest of the oil. Now put it all in. Yes. Oh no. Now we will mix all the spices in this bowl. Mixing the spices, we will now put all in this bowl. Now we will mix it. We will serve the salad. The salad in the middle. Some chicken in the this here. Now it's been served. Thanks for watching. I hope this recipe was useful, and subscribe to Manqoolat for more cooking shows. Allah Hafiz.
नाज़रीन कराम, manqoolat.com एक जर्मनी फ्रैंकफर्ट बेस्ड मीडिया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो आप तक उर्दू की खबरें पहुंचाता है। हमारे प्रोग्राम सोशल मीडिया पे मनकुलात के नाम से आप देख सकते हैं। यूट्यूब पे मनकुलात के प्रोग्राम को लाइक कीजिए और बावक्त बरखबर रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन का बटन दबाना मत भूलिए।